Day 19. I can't believe I've been working on the bus for 19 days. The cats can't believe it either. Right, Katie?
Here we go.
Making the first hole for the first bracket. I can see the light. Bam, hole through the bus. Not gonna lie, it kind of trips me out to just put holes in the bus. I'm using this stuff called butyl putty, and lots of RVs use it to seal. It's like this putty that goes in and it will seal the cracks. I'll still put a sealant around after it's all attached, but basically seals up the holes. All right, bracket is bolted on from the inside. And here it is attached from the outside. Look how strong it is. It shaped the whole bus. So 10 of these with the angle irons going across. It's gonna be solid platform. All right, it's taking a little bit, but we're getting the brackets on. We got 2 on this side and 2 on this side. 6 more to go. And then I gotta weld in the joists. So the original metal idea to have as a joist across was not good. So I'm actually just fabricating some I-beams here. These are super strong, so they don't flex. And you can see over here, I've got one of them attached already. So that one's up. I'm just working on that. We're gonna get the one platform up on the back of the bus and call it a day. It's taking longer than we thought. Robert is just working on the cutting of the wood for the platform. Got the 2 I-beams installed on the brackets. Looking rad. We're just making the platform and we can throw it up here and try it out. Wicked. We have the first platform attached. End of day 19. I'm forgetting what day of build we're on, kind of like what day of the week it is because of COVID. We didn't quite get as far as we wanted today, but we did, however, get this built. So we figured out some of the kinks in the process of this, and I'm pretty sure the next pieces will go a lot faster. Once this is built, we can do the skylight and start framing the inside, but we need to get these bolted in first so we knew where everything was attached. So until tomorrow.